Hi guys, so today we're going to be making Jacob's ladder with string or yarn. So first you have to put your thumbs in like this, then put your pinkies in, so your hands should look like this. And then you're going to put your pointer finger, you see this part right here? You're going to put your pointer finger in there and do it on both sides. Then you're gonna get this. Then drop your thumbs out of the string. You should have this. Then take the bottom part and push it toward you and then pull it over the top and then grab the top of the triangles. So now you should have this. Then drop your pinkies out of the string and you should get the mountains. Then take your pinkies and go over the top here. So you should go over the top here and then grab this part with your pinky. And then do the same exact thing on the other part. So I'm going to show you again. So you take this. So you see how it's like this? You put your pinky over. So you put your pinky. So you put your pinky over here and grab that. Over here and grab that. And now you should have this. Then drop your thumbs out again. You should have cat whiskers. So then take your thumb and put it over these two right here, the top two, and then grab the first one on the bottom too. And then you should get this. So then take the string on your pointer finger and put it on your thumb. Then take the one that was always on your thumb and bring it over your thumb. Do the same thing on the other side. Then, you see these holes right here? You're gonna put your pointer finger there and then bend it and then take your pinkies out and twist at the same time. And then you have Jacob's ladder. Do you want me to do it again or no? I don't know. Should I? Bye-bye.